Alright guys, so today we're opening a new futon mattress. I've got the old one ripped out of the house just so we can do a comparison. This is just the regular old everyday whatever that you can feel the bars in your back. It's soft whatever, but you can feel all the bars. We tried, my brother tried sleeping on it and it wasn't working. So I got the 10-inch memory foam. So I'm going to go ahead and gently open this box up. The dog loves that couch, so that's apparently her spot outside for the few seconds that I'm doing this video. That face right there. So I basically just ripped the box open so that I wouldn't cut the new mattress. Looks very thin the way it is, but this is supposed to be 10-inch. So we're gonna see if this becomes much more. It's just it's wrapped really tight, so that's kind of the thing. So I'm gonna set this on this guy here so that I can undo it. Alright, let me go ahead and get some scissors or something so I can undo this and we'll see it swell. Okay, she's rolling herself out and swelling right up automatically. Alright, I'm going to get this plastic bag off before it swells too much. It's already swelling up pretty good. So it's getting thicker. I think the longer that we wait, the more that it'll blow up because it's memory foam, so it needs to come, wider. But you look at it, it's already getting to be a decent size. So compared to the old one, it should be much more comfortable. And we'll just get rid of this tag here. Just whatever, not to be removed, whatever. Yeah, we'll get rid of that and we'll put her in. But that's the comparison compared to the original OEM mattress. This thing is much thicker. Mocha the Bloodhound approved. So I'm going to put her in there and let her just swell up the rest of the way. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put this mattress in the description below. Just click the link. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'd be more than happy to have you. Peace.